B is 6, Q is 8. There is a smooth step, which to me is not very smooth, but okay. It's like 30 centimeter. The energy loss is negligible, so it means that HL, no need to consider that. Y at point A is there. I need to find YB. So I will copy paste everything that I have here. B, I don't need to write B1, B2 because B is the same, 6 meter. Discharge, 8 cubic meter per second. What else do I have? Delta Z positive, 0.3. Y at point A is 1.5 meter. Y at point B is question. I don't need you to do anything. I just need you to write energy equation. I will start with A point. YA plus Q2 over 2GA2 at point A. Or YA plus Q at point A over 2GYA2, which I'm going to use second one, 1.5 plus 2, 9.81, 1.5 squared. For this, I will go for 8 over 6 squared. Why? Because Q is equal to Q over B. If I do that, I will have 1 point. Now, I should take care of the second cross section, which is B. As I mentioned earlier, AB and AA should be the same. But here, just make sure to consider delta Z. Positive, negative. Which one should I take? Positive one or negative one? Should I deduct the delta Z or add delta Z to portion that I have? And it's like that. Something like delta Z here, cross section B, cross section A. Which one would you choose? Negative or positive? That take a part of your whole depth. So it means that it's a deduction. If it goes down, yeah, you should add it to the system. But it occupied a part of your depth or very professional a part of your energy. And both online answer correctly. So just need to write here 1.40. And I think I write the indexes not correct. Sorry, B and A. That makes sense right now. B. So you should take delta Z from A to find B. EB, you don't need that. EA 1.45 minus 0.3, which is 1.4 meter. So again, this total here is 1.5, let's say. This should be the same, but a part of that goes for the step. So I take 0.3 out, the rest is 0.2, 1.24. So for B, I have the total of 1.5. I will take the step part. So the total is 1.24. Now I just need to write down the equation for B one more time. YB plus Q at point B square 2GY point B2. 1.24. Do I have YB? No. I have 2. I have 9.81. I don't have it. For this one, I have 8 over 6 again. But I think I have the number here, which is 1.33. So I can just write it here. So try yourself and see if you can find Y at point B. That's a trial and error. Or again, your calculator should be able to find it for you in less than a minute, I think. Levi, did you find the depths at point B? Isabella? Yes. Oh, that's all I asked you to find. Randy, the answer is close, but no, it's not even close. It should be 0.3. Yeah, it should be that. So if I want to show you that, here is the one. The water is here, it's 1.5. It should go like that. YA 1.5, YB 0.3. And the step is 0.3 as well. And I can say that this is subcritical without even calculating that. How? Do you remember I gave you 4 situations? Drop, step, supercritical, subcritical. And I told you, if you want to memorize that, in subcritical, always the situation is that you cannot imagine. You have a step. You expect water goes up. But as you can see, it drops. In supercritical, it's normal. In subcritical, it's not happening what you expect. And if you find Freud number, probably you will see that it's less than 1. Hopefully. I cannot guarantee, but I think, yeah. So that's a subcritical situation. So this is 2 questions for constriction, enlargement, delta Z up or down. And the last one is about the hydraulic jump. So this is the one that I'm going to solve, like post for you. Let me check if it's in the, yeah, oh, yeah, you have it. But it said it's D. I should change that. Oh, so one of the answers is this one. You will have 2 answers for that. Brock, did you find it? And I have one online who got that one. So you should decide between these 2. One of them is supercritical, the other one is subcritical. So it can be shown that the flow which was subcritical before the step will remain as such after the step. So it implies that this one, it says that if you find Freud number for A, it will be subcritical, which is less than 1. I want to stay the same because nothing happened. No hydraulic jump, which goes from super to sub or not from sub to super. So I will calculate Freud number for these both, and I will choose the one that has subcritical answer. So yeah, this is happening and this is happening, but you should choose that one. Why? We want to stay in subcritical.